好，来乡亲啊，继续来看这位台湾透美国的棒球好手费尔柴德，即摆是伫美国咧拍大联盟，伊即届嘛加入着国家队，要来拍世界棒球经典赛。昨暝，伊已经坐飞机返来台湾，今仔日先来参加着运动品牌的活动，刷落来就要投入着国家队的训练。这费尔柴德讲，伊真荣幸会当加入着国家队，伊讲伊想要互台湾人感觉骄傲。
Does it go Wilshire stew? Yeah, that's all I know.
请用中文自我小解。球迷期待真久的 Stuart Fairchild 总算来台湾，用手势点出胸襟头前的台湾。台湾甲美国南回的伊加入添台湾，将来到台湾甲队友见面，看到正险杯抓队的老队友林家正，随甲队轰淡一个。
He definitely played a role in encouraging me to play, and he had nothing but good things to say about the team and how passionate the fans are and how fun baseball is here. So it was a big motivator.
看起来已经有人甲分享国家队的气氛啊！啊，那互伊上印象的队友就是伊。
I've heard about Yu Chang quite a bit. It sounds like he played for the Cleveland Guardians for several years as well. But yeah, last night was my first opportunity to meet the team at the hotel. A lot of the guys were having dinner, and really that was the first time that I've met them.
希望会当将家己经验分享给国家队。也毋过当伊知影，张南山东宣布因为受伤退出，伊嘛感觉真艰苦。
You know, I was sad about it. I was unfortunate timing, and you know, I haven't met Jonathan, but he seems like a great guy, and I was really looking forward to playing with him in the WBC. But you know, I wish him well and hope he gets healthy soon.
结束公开活动后 ，Fairchild 就将会投入国家队的训练。
I just want to make the people of Taiwan proud. I'm gonna give everything I have for this team in this tournament, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it all out on the field, and hopefully we can bring a championship back to Taiwan in the WBC.
伊也想要做回代表台湾，拍出好成绩。
Hello， 我是雷亚，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。